So we are going to dive in the pandas, advanced pandas. So Iris,
Yes.
first of all, can you work with your existing data frame? Do you remember? Like sense?
Yes,
Yeah.
I just need to like. You mean my file or my data frame?
Like, can you create new data frame using this?
Okay,
Yeah.
using this file. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just leave markdown to not get confused.
Okay. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Like.
I think you confused something in the read and the, yeah. Oh, I mean, it was like CSV, it's right, but you just confused two words, two letters. Yeah, two letters swapped.
Oh.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
going fast. Okay.
yes, CSV. So okay, this is. Can you extract me one column from this? Just no need to delete something. Just one column, extract it.
You mean from this data tree, or I need to create data frame?
Can you just print this data frame? Just data tree and that's it. Yeah. So, for example, extract me this student's name. Okay. You can like how you want. Just I just want to look at it.
Okay. Okay. I'll try to write like this. No, it won't work. Okay. Oh, you meant to extract student's name, yes?
Yes.
It's not working. Okay.
What was the error actually? I saw this right student's name.
Key error.
No, I got it, but isn't it correct? Did you write it correctly? Student's name?
I think yes.
Can you copy paste? Just Control X. Yeah.
Student's name.
Can you open your CSV? Not through Pandas, just CSV. Yeah.
Can I open it here?
Sense. Yeah.
Students.
I think it's because there is a white space before students.
Oh.
No. I mean, I'm not saying delete it. I'm saying just write with a space in your data. Yeah, in the pandas.
Okay. Here. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Works.
Because in CSV file, there is no space, okay?
Yes, I forgot about that.
Okay, so you extracted it.
Yes.
Do you know like about type in Python? For example, type 1 will be integer type.
Yes.
Yeah, so can you use this function just first of all, just for simple things? For example, type, just type and something. For example, yeah, 3 and just anything. Yeah,
integer.
this is integer. Now, can you type this column
Okay.
that you extracted? Case.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pandas core series.
Yeah. So this is serious, okay?
Series. Okay.
Yeah. And can you write like again this data 3 student's name, but I will tell you what to add.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
White space. Yeah. And in the end, yeah, write dot and the values. Values, yeah. Just run this code. No, this is not function. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you see?
It's giving me the values of this common.
Yeah.
Column.
Right. Can you see the type of this? What's the type?
Object.
Wait, you're looking at this. First of all, say me.
Type string. Oh, type is array.
No. Do you remember, like when we created the Numpy arrays, there was like array something.
Like
Can you create a
array.
Numpy array and you will see just Numpy array, yeah, and just any random values. Yeah, just run this. So what is that? What is that?
It's an array.
Yes, array, but Numpy array. Okay.
Yes.
So these values gives you Numpy array. Okay.
Okay.
And without values, it will be just series. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you got it, like the difference, right?
Yes, I got confused. Like I forgot that I'm learning Pandas, not NumPy, so I got confused a little bit.
Okay. So you know how to read like CSV, right? How to read it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to write it? How to create your own CSV using Pandas?
Yes, I think I know.
How to?
You showed me time
How to, yeah, write your own CSV.
with three columns. You say
No. You're using the Python. I mean, how to create a real CSV file in your laptop using Pandas.
using Pandas
Yes.
in Python book?
In anything, in Python, in Pandas, yeah.
Okay, then maybe there's a function like maybe with the code like to create. Maybe there's a function called create CSV.
Yeah, you're pretty right. So let me give you a hint. So write your data frame name. Just
I didn't like create a data frame.
no, I mean your data frame is data 3 already.
Oh.
Yes.
It's already data 3?
Yes, it's data frame.
I'm like then why do we need to write this code?
Oh, I mean df2. Like wait. Actually, you don't need it. When you write pd.read CSV, it's already data frame.
Oh, I thought we need to use this one. Okay.
No, this one
okay.
we use when we are getting from the dictionary, okay?
Oh, from the dictionary, yes. I thought, yeah, okay. Okay, then data3 is my data framework.
Yes. And there is a function called to_CSV. I mean, wait, data3 dot to_CSV.
Oh, two?
No, not two, like two. Yeah,
Two?
T. No, TO. No, not 2O. TO. 1T, 1O.
Oh, two.
Yeah. CSV.
Underscore.
Yeah, CSV. And here, this is a function.
Okay. Oh.
And here, write your CSV name. Just what CSV you want. What will be the name?
Okay. New file.
New file. And what will be the extension?
CSV.
Yes. Run this code.
So?
Yeah, and check your like directory.
Here it is.
Yeah. Open it.
Oh.
You see?
Oh, it has my data here?
Yeah. So before
Got it.
this, new file doesn't exist, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is like how to make it. Another thing that
like make empty.
Make what?
Make an empty file.
No. I'm not going to say how to make an empty file. I was just going to say how to make Excel file.
Oh, Excel. Okay.
Excel.
Maybe it's the same. Maybe like data.
So data3 dot 2 and the Excel.
XLX.
No. Just Excel. Just Excel. Literally Excel.
That's all.
2? No. Not Excel. I mean Excel. Not like.
Excel?
Yeah. We see.
Oh yes.
Yeah. And your file name again.
Okay.
New file.
Okay. Enough news.
File 2. Dot format. Yeah. No, not Excel. XLSX. Yeah. LSX. Yeah. Run this code. Yeah, and check your directory.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah. Actually, can you open it like literally using your file manager, not using Jupyter?
Okay. One moment.
Yeah. You see?
Yes. It's like copied it literally with even indexes.
Yes, everything.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean,
yeah.
what's the difference between Excel file and CSV?
CSV, it's with dots and CSV is like more programming. You open your new file CSV using Excel. You will see new file CSV using Excel. Yeah, you see?
Yeah, I see.
This is like, this CSV is like more raw.
Yeah.
Yeah, like not so pretty. Yeah, like.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so that's the
Okay.
difference.
All right.
Like, okay, so let me show you something. No. Can you like move to this link? Or can you like Google like, oh wait, never mind, just open this link, yeah.
We opened it.
Yeah. Yeah, so what is that? Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
It's